I know this is crap video, guys, but I'm not going out there. This is unbelievable storm. I just recorded about an hour of electric storm, and then this happened, where we've got water against the window, but we've also got meters of veranda before the window. So, you know, I've not seen this before, where water's hit the window. I don't know if you're picking this up, but it is insane out there. I wonder if this is something to do with... Eh?
This is the real central Portugal.
Yeah, this is real central Portugal. This is this anything to do with Hurricane Kirk or something?
Milton, Hurricane Milton.
Milton, Hurricane Milton or something. But this is like...
something to do with that.
This is bloody like a hurricane. I mean, I'm sure this is not picking this up, but what I'm seeing is just unbelievable. I'm not going out there. I'll get much better pictures, but no way.
Turn the light out. Lights out.
I know. I reckon the gutters must be the gutters must be full up, which means the stored water. I'm glad I sorted out the water storage tanks earlier. I wished I'd put some garden furniture away, like I had the premonition to do. I didn't. This is insane. Right, let's hope we don't get a power cut.